Thanks for joining me on board the 2025 Sea Ray 280 SLX. We've got this boat nicely equipped with the 8.2 liter Mercury, 430 horsepower with the Bravo 3X prop. You're gonna absolutely love this boat in the water. But why don't we come on to the back of the boat and take a look at some of the features. So just to start, tons of storage throughout this boat, as you'd expect from any Sea Ray, but we do have our dual battery switch here, and you can see this storage area actually goes all the way through into the cockpit. Plenty of room for all of your water sports toys and anything else you can think of. Next, we've got our cooler in the back. Plenty of space for a few cold ones. Our fold-down swim platform with engine shut-off safety feature, and our stern ladder here, which is nicely covered. Now onto the comfortable swim platform here. The sun pad is going to be equipped with our Fusion unit here, along with all of our additional charging options, USB and USB-C. All right, now we're going into one of my favorite areas of this boat. The cockpit is enormous. You've got plenty of space for all of your friends and your family. Lots of storage throughout. Cup holders. Now let's just jump over quickly to this nice convenient storage area next to the helm. Cup holders, additional storage for you. Underneath the helm is going to be your pull-out cooler. Yeah, another great feature about the cockpit is this power tower with the extendable sunshade to the back of the boat. So with the touch of a button, this tower goes all the way down. So you're going to be out of all of the inclement weather, incredibly low, and you can see how the speakers are situated perfectly. So this is going to keep you out of those elements regardless of what the afternoon has to bring. Now both the captain and the co-captain's chair are going to be able to spin all the way around. They do have flip-up bolsters, so absolute social environment for everybody. Now both of these are going to spin as well. And again, flip-up bolster here. You've got your dual SIMRAD systems here. Unbelievable amount of options and features. Moving on to our spacious head unit. Magnetic door stop. Never have to worry about that thing closing when you don't want it to. Lockable glove box storage. All right, now we're moving on to the bow of the boat. So one of the great features in the bow is this enormous storage compartment. So not only does this go from the seat, but also all of this storage for your teak tables, which are going to be able to pop up in the cockpit as well as the bow. So plenty of storage here. And then another amazing feature with the Sea Ray 280 SLX is our windlass system. So at the touch of a button from the helm, you can lower this and very easy up and down. No more dragging in any of the lines. You do have your freshwater wash down here as well. But that's going to be the Sea Ray 280 SLX. My name is Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Thank you.